This is Ron fucking Phillips, and today I'm going to be talking about the Hollow Earth. And yes, so before I begin, I did smoke a ton of meth, so don't be asking in the comments, okay? And now I'm going to begin this video. So basically, it has been proven by NASA. There has been videos about in the ISS, International Space Station, and basically it shows water, a drop of water, and then the two poles on each side form an inside, okay, like a hole inside, like a sinkhole. And now I'm going to be getting into this. So you may be thinking, oh, the Earth is inside the universe. Well, you're fucking wrong. The universe is inside the Earth, okay? First you may be thinking, oh no, I can see the moon! No, you're stupid. That's actually background created by the government, so you don't start thinking the same question about the Earth, so you think it's actually inside the universe, actually when it's not, okay? So behind that background that the government sets to make us think that we're actually inside the universe is just whiteness, because, get this, the universe is inside the Earth, okay? So, you know my last video, how the dinosaurs built the pyramids? Well, the pyramids of Giza, I mean the pyramids of Egypt, says one kid, asshole. Anyway, basically, there's tunnels that go down 14,000 meters down, and those tunnels actually lead down to the universe, okay? So the universe is about 14,000 miles down beneath Earth's core, and yeah. So yeah. So the pyramids of Giza are actually a tunnel inside the universe, and inside the universe is actually just the sun is the central of the universe inside the Earth, okay? If you're understanding what I mean. And inside the universe, inside the Earth, inside the universe, it's basically, you see the solar system, the galaxies, you see everything. And these tunnels, if you get far down into these tunnels, 14,000 meters, you will get into the universe. Now, how do you get into the universe besides the tunnels? There's actually, on the North and South Pole, there are sinkholes about, like the size of, like, the size of, like, Texas, pretty much. And, they're on the only two poles. Those are the only two ways to get in. And they're 14,000 meters down, okay? And you may be thinking, oh, the water can get into the universe. No, it can't, because the water around these sinkholes, there's an invisible magnetic field that keep the water in place, kind of like gravity, so the water doesn't fall into the universe and just destroy itself. So basically, how this works is that to get into the universe, you have to pretty much fly in through the poles. Usually, when NASA sends their rockets into space, we send them up into the North Pole area, which leads down into the universe. So, yeah. So, basically, that's how you get in. There has been one account of someone actually flying on the South Pole entrance into the universe, and that was by Richard Byrd. He actually led a plane expedition, and basically he saw the inside of the universe, and then he flew back down. This is like 1930 or so. So this has been proven. And yeah, so that's it. And the universe is inside the Earth, okay? The sun is the center of the universe inside the Earth. And the sun, you may be thinking, the sun's up there. Like I said, there's a background that the government set up so you don't know. So the sun up there isn't actually keeping you warm. The sun inside the Earth of the universe is actually keeping all of Earth warm, okay? So you don't have to worry. And basically, like I said, in my dinosaurs made the pyramids, I basically said that Earth is about 6,000 years old. So the universe is only 6,000 years old because if the Earth wasn't around, the universe wouldn't be around. So basically, the universe is 6,000 years old. Earth is 6,000 years old, and pretty much, yeah, that's it. And yeah, I can describe how it would feel. So, if you were going to fly in to the universe, you know you have to fly into the poles, the sinkhole, about the size of Texas. Actually, when you fly in there, the reason why astronauts have to wear those really thick spacesuits is because when they fly down into there, the poles, the two poles will like react, and the magnetic field will like crush down onto them. That's just to make sure like the water doesn't get in there and stuff. But when you're flying through there, like at a couple thousand miles an hour, that it'll feel like you're getting crushed, but then you're into space, in the Earth, okay? And then to fly out, you just fly out through the bottom pole or the top sinkhole. It doesn't matter. And you know how we have so-called plates and the Earth's plates that cause earthquakes and what was the other one? The cores, like the so-called cores of the Earth. Well, those two are incorrect because earthquakes only occur when the galaxies inside of Earth, they move around a lot, and that just causes a sudden shift in the Earth because of that, and that will cause earthquakes for a bit, but it's fine, it's safe. And the cores, if the universe was inside the Earth, there would be no cores. And that's pretty much it for this discussion, except for one thing. Adolf Hitler and the other Nazi leaders actually believe in this theory too. When they're around, they believed and knew that this was real and that the government was just covering everything up. So yeah, even though Adolf Hitler was a bad person, he actually knew that the Earth was hollow. And I hope you guys know that the Earth is hollow too. Yeah, I'll be making a new video soon about a very special person. And fuck you all, and subscribe to Carnage Shot for some shitty videos. And, yeah.